The 1999-2006 GMC Sierra models use a keyless entry system that requires you to manually program key fobs. This process syncs the remote's transmitter with your truck's body control module. You can typically do this yourself, saving dealership costs. While newer vehicles use smartphone apps, these older models rely on a specific ignition cycling and button press sequence. This is the industry standard to date and still applies in 2025. Begin by preparing your materials. Have your new key fob ready and ensure your vehicle is unlocked with all doors closed. Next, insert the key into the ignition and turn it to the on position without starting the engine. Leave it in the on position for 10 minutes. Now cycle the ignition. Turn the key to off, then back to on quickly, repeating this 3 times. Leave it in the on position on the 3rd cycle. Program the fob by pressing and holding the lock and unlock buttons simultaneously for 10 to 15 seconds. The vehicle lights should flash to confirm programming. For each additional fob, up to 4 total, turn the key to off, then repeat steps 3 and 4. Wait 30 seconds between each fob. Finally, exit Learn mode by turning the key to off and removing it. Test all programmed fobs. If unsuccessful, disconnect the battery for 30 minutes before retrying, or use an OBD2 tool to check for BCM error codes.